Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn more about the DP-900 certification exam, also known as the Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals exam, which is designed to validate your foundational knowledge of core data concepts and your ability to work with data services in the Azure cloud platform. Whether you are looking to kickstart your career in data engineering or data science or aiming to enhance your Azure skills, this exam serves as an excellent starting point. In this comprehensive guide, we will cover the exam requirements, the key topics you should focus on, the official Microsoft Azure documentation, and the significance of hands-on projects and the importance of practicing with sample questions and practice tests. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can get a notification for more such informative videos in the future. Get ready to level up your Azure skills and prepare for success in the DP-900 exam. Let's dive in. Exam requirements. Before diving into the specifics of the exam, it is important to understand the requirements for taking the DP-900 exam. The exam is open to anyone interested in demonstrating their knowledge of Azure Data Services. However, having a basic understanding of cloud concepts such as virtual machines, networking, and storage can be an advantageous situation. Additionally, prior experience with data concepts, databases, and analytics will be beneficial. Microsoft provides learning resources including online training modules and documentation. To help candidates prepare for the exam, it is advisable to review those resources and gain hands-on experience with Azure Data Services before attempting this exam. The DP-900 exam consists of multiple choice questions and is typically around 60 minutes long. The exact number of questions may vary, but the passing score is usually around 700 out of 1000. It is important to manage your time effectively during the exam and read the question carefully before selecting your answers. The DP-900 exam focuses on fundamental data concepts and the services within the Azure cloud platform. It is important to note that this exam does not require any programming or coding skills. Instead, it checks candidates' understanding of various data-related topics and their ability to apply Azure Data Services effectively. The exam covers four main domains. First, core data concepts. This topic covers the foundational understanding of data concepts. It is essential to grasp the difference between relational and non-relational data, the process of data ingestion and processing, the importance of data visualization, and the characteristics of structured and unstructured data. To study this topic, review the Azure documentation on core data concepts and explore relevant online training modules to solidify your understanding. Second, working with relational data in Azure. In this section, you must be familiar with Azure's relational data services, such as Azure SQL Database, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Azure Database for MySQL and PostgreSQL. Study the documentation provided by Microsoft for each service, including its features, capabilities, and use cases. Practice provisioning and managing these services and perform basic operations like data ingestion, querying, and security measures. Hands-on experience and practical example will reinforce your knowledge. Third, working with non-relational data in Azure. Azure offers several non-relational data services including Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Blob Storage, and Azure Table Storage. Study the documentation and official resources on these services to understand their features, data modeling options, and querying techniques. Pay close attention to the difference between these services and how they cater to different data storage and retrieval needs. Practice hands-on exercises to gain familiarity with their implementation. Fourth, performing data analysis in Azure. This topic focuses on Azure Data Analytics services, including Data Synapse Analytics, Azure Databricks, and Azure HD Insights. Learn about the capabilities and use cases of these services by studying the official documentation and exploring relevant online resources. Understand the process of provisioning and managing data analytics services, performing data transformations, and conducting analysis. Practice using Power BI for data visualization as it is an important part. Official Microsoft Azure documentation. To excel in DP-900 exam, leveraging official Microsoft Azure documentation is highly recommended. Microsoft provides comprehensive and up-to-date documentation on Azure Data Services. It covers detailed information about each service, including its features, use cases, and best practices. By reviewing these initial resources, you will gain a solid understanding of the concepts and functionalities required to succeed in the exam. Make sure to explore the documentation for each topic and take notes to reinforce your learning. Hands-on projects. Hands-on experience is valuable when preparing for the DP-900 exam. By working on real-world projects, you can apply the concepts you have learned and gain practical knowledge of Azure Data Services. Create scenarios that involves provisioning and managing different data services, ingesting data, querying databases, performing data transformations, and visualizing data. You will strengthen your understanding and enhance the problem-solving skills by actively engaging with the Azure platform. Moreover, hands-on projects provide a great opportunity to troubleshoot and learn from challenges you may encounter. Sample questions and practical tests. To check your readiness for the DP-900 exam, it is crucial to practice with sample questions and take practice tests. I have given some sample papers and mock test links in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Microsoft also offers official sample questions that can help you familiarize yourself with the exam format and types of questions asked. These sample questions provide insights into the level of difficulty and the areas you need to focus on. Additionally, various online platforms offer practice tests specifically designed for DP-900 exam. Taking these practice tests under the exam-like condition will help you manage your time effectively and identify your knowledge gaps that require further study. Analyze your performance in these practice tests and make sure to use them as a feedback mechanism to refine your preparation strategy. Before we conclude this video, I want to introduce you to our incredible platform called Project Pro. It is a user-friendly platform that streamlines the process of building projects, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Project Pro helps connect with other experienced industry experts through one-on-one mentoring sessions who have already taken the Azure certification and can help you prepare for one. And with that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and let me know your thoughts on this. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.